In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause your watch history on YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is go to YouTube TV. Now, once you're over at YouTube TV, you need to make sure to log in. So on the top right hand corner, you can see I am logged in to my account. Now from here, we need to navigate to settings. And now this is going to take you inside settings inside your account. And on the left hand side, we've got these tabs: membership, family, sharing. We need to navigate and click onto privacy. Under privacy, we've got pause watch history. So if we go ahead and toggle that on, it will state that this will pause your watch history across all YouTube apps, including YouTube TV. Your personal recommendations will no longer be up to date if you do this. So go ahead and click onto pause, and you can see it's paused your watch history here by that toggle being on, and you can say your changes were saved. So whenever you watch a show or anything inside YouTube TV or anything inside YouTube in general, it won't be shown on your history anymore.